Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna show the Kia 2015 Soul. We've been having issues with the starter. So what happened was previously this is my wife's car, and previously she's been having issues starting the car. Now every time when she sliding the keys, it'll try to make a noise, like very hard to start. But tried it once or twice or three times, wait a second, and then the car will start up. But recently, I took the car out for a drive and I had the same issue. And when I came back the next day, the car ended up like this. Nothing. Turn in the keys, nada. I mean, you'll see the radio turn off. There's just no effect. So we couldn't figure out the problem. At first I thought it was a starter issue, or maybe the battery. Tried with the jumper cable, that didn't work. It just didn't have any effect. And well, the wifey was reluctant to let me take a look at it, so she called the technicians. And when the technicians came, they couldn't find anything wrong with it, except probably concluded that it was also a starter problem. So she had them replace the starter, and that thing was costly. But fortunately, I took another look at it, and here's what I found. So we're at the fuse box, and there's actually one fuse that says the IG2. This is with the IG2 fuse, and this is what I found. I don't know if you can see, it's snapped. It broke. So I found a different one, which is good. Let's put that back in. Where was it? Right about, sorry for the darkness here. And let's go back. Here we go. Boom. We're good to go. So it was actually just a $6 problem. It was just a fuse that got broke. So it wasn't any starter, it wasn't any ignition problem. The tech guy actually thought we had an ignition trouble, and he told us we have to take it back to the original dealer because they have some key code or something. But no, it was a simple broken fuse. So if anyone has a Kia 2015 having the same issue, you might want to check your fuse first before checking any other things else. Because previously the fuse didn't completely break, so we had starting trouble, and then until it finally breaks and there's just nothing, no reaction. So once you change the fuse out, you're good. All right, hopefully this helps some Kia owners. All right.